this video I'm just going to show you how to prepare the wood for the lathe. So we will have to draw diagonal lines on the top and the bottom. So you can just use your steel rule from corner to corner. You have to be really accurate with this. And then on that side from corner to corner. So make sure that it's as accurate as you can get it. And there's my diagonal lines on the one side and diagonal lines on the other side as well. It's important to have this accurate because in the two spindles of the lathe you want this to be right in the center, not to have a off center. Then you put your workpiece. So the one side will be cut in where the motor of the lathe will go in. So put that in your vise. And just use the talent saw and then cut on your one diagonal line. About 5 to 6 mils deep. And the other diagonal line. So that you've got it about 5 to 6 mils thick there, deep. So I've got it in there so that the teeth of the lathe. The next step will be to drill holes right in the center. So make sure the secret with drilling is your drill bit should always be 90 degrees to your workpiece. Drill about 4 to 5 millimeters in. And this is the spindle on the motor side. So you can see that the tip of the spindle should go in there and the teeth should be biting into those cuts that you've put in. And that will drive it really good. Then on the other side, you can just make sure your chuck is set up right in the center. So just to recap, you've drawn diagonal lines, you've cut on the one side about 4 to 5 mils in, you've drilled both sides on the center point of your diagonal line. Okay, for the next step you're going to use a plane and clamp your workpiece in the vise, and then we're going to plane all 4 of the sides a little bit so that so you're just going plane from one side to the other side. Then we need to repeat the planing on all 4 sides, about 8 to 10 mils there. This will just help when it starts turning in lathe and you want to round it off. So you've got an easier way than starting than this one. So I'll do this one quickly again. So clamp it down and you plane the corner. So that's quite a good plane, and then we'll repeat this step just with all 4 corners. Now that you've planed all 4 of the sides, you're ready to go and set it up in lathe. So diagonal lines, drill holes in both sides, cut the one side 5 mils in, use the plane to plane all 4 sides down about 8 to 10 mils.